What's up all, welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be giving you another example or another transformation or another idea on how to do with your bed or your wooden bed or old bed. That is transformation. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. As usual, I show you the before and some clips on how the transformation progress is. So this is where we normally do cut pieces of wood. As I told you in my previous video, I normally use 2x1 pieces of wood. That is to adjust the height of the headboard or to straighten the headboard, because most of the other beds like this one normally have a curved or a designed headboard. So I normally cut the top part of it and then raise it using the pieces of wood that I normally carry, that is the 2x1, this one. So I normally cut them and raise the bed into the standard height and then start transforming it. And then I normally use 3mm plywood, that is to make the frame, before attaching the foam on it. Attaching the foam, I normally use contact glue, that is if you want to know. And then after there I start designing the bed according to the design my client request. This is usually a job I do in just one day. That is when I come in the morning, in the afternoon or late in the afternoon I'll be done with your bed. Yeah, we normally do this transformation just in one day. So if you want to reach me out, just comment down there and I will give you the contact that you can reach me out with. Yeah, anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So in this video I've combined two designs that are very good. A lot of clients normally like these designs, so I decided to join the two designs so that you can just see and enjoy and see how an old bed or a wooden bed can be transformed into a new and modern design. Yeah, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like it, comment on it, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next videos.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.